Okay, so I'm done here. Spoke to the patient, saw the patient, she feels okay. So the patient has been discharged and now I leave for my other hospital. I have enough time, I have 1 hour and I don't think I take 1 hour. There's a shortcut from here to go to the station. Shortcut है ना इधर station जाने को? Yeah, so I never knew about that hidden shortcut, but till now I know. So, yeah. दिख रहा है वो bridge, my daily bridge. So I can just take a shortcut here and I can climb the bridge and see what's happening. I still have enough time. I have time, I have an hour. Sometimes I don't get the consulting room empty because there are other consultants sitting. So I gotta wait. But then it's okay. Now, how do I go? Okay, I have to climb that. Hanuman's Den, that's the bridge I cross every day. And this is what I'm scared of in life. Traffic crossing. Nevertheless, I shall cross. I have crossed. I shall take the staircase and the overhead bridge. इसलिए ताकि मैं वेस्ट से ईस्ट तक पहुंच जाऊं आसानी से. लो आ गए हम. फिर से स्टेयरकेस फंक्शनल ट्रेनिंग बिकॉज कुछ तो टूटा है कुछ तो फूटा है. इसके लिए संभल के जाना है. फंक्शनल ट्रेनिंग. Watch your steps, watch your steps, watch your steps, watch your steps, watch your steps. Injuries are bad. Injuries are bad, injuries are bad, injuries are bad. Watch your step while you're walking. Watch your step, watch your step. Watch your step, watch your... And here. Railway station pe ton ton ton. Ton. Can you hear that ton? वो मधुर आवाज़ जो कईयों को लोग आ रहे हैं लोग जा रहे हैं. There is no time. Everyone is reaching somewhere. And one's young one is always trying to reach somewhere. And when one gets old, one is waiting for someone to reach to them. Right? Enjoy this view.